3 a.m. You're deep in dreamland, totally unaware. But inside, your body's most critical night shift just started. Your liver clocks in to review the day's toxic delivery. It identifies every bit of metabolic waste and pollution. Phase 1 crew launches, breaking down complex toxins immediately. Phase 2 packages them up, waterproofing waste for safe disposal. By sunrise, that packaged waste is flushed out completely. You wake up feeling reset, because biologically, you are. Skipping sleep cuts this essential detox meeting short. Sleep is non-negotiable. Follow for more body secrets.